listing the property as an occupant. She filed a bankruptcy case. She filed a bankruptcy case. Ms. Whitlow purchased with a mortgage in less than a year. Ms. Whitlow purchased it with a mortgage in less than a year later. Since then, there have been multiple bankruptcies. And we came forward. Since then, there have been bankruptcy. Since then, there have been Ms. Whitlow filed two different bankruptcies in Arizona. A young man listed this property. Apparently lives in Arizona. Ms. Banks filed this property as his residence. Ms. Banks it should also be noted that Ms. Banks was a bankruptcy property. It should also be noted that Ms. Banks should also be noted from preparing bankruptcies and has been forbidden from the bankruptcy court. We would like to preparing bankruptcies for anyone preparing bankruptcies for anyone. We would like to move forward with an we would like to move forward with an if for some reason that an 11-day most amenable to an 11-day and if for some reason escrow and if for some reason that would on $1 million we would ask for an escrow reasonable we would ask for an escrow on $1 million property I think on $1 million property reasonable rent reasonable rent
for 60 seconds and then I wrote something for 60 seconds and then I wrote something up because I am nervous. But Doshia Banks is respectfully appear, especially in conditional, respectfully appear, especially in occupancy for the sole purpose of protecting federally sole purpose. That's expressly occupancy rights as opposed to occupancy rights. I expressly do not consent to this expressly did not consent to this court jurisdiction.
You are not a named you can so if you are not a named go because you're not a named party. You can sit down. You can go. You can because you're not a named party. You are not a named party on this. You may have a lease with someone else. You are not a named party on this. You are not a named party with someone else. You may have a lease. Then you need to go against Ms. Whitlow. You can go challenge it. With then may need to go against Ms. Whitlow. You need to go against Ms. Whitlow. Then you may need to go against Ms. Whitlow. You may need to go against Ms. Whitlow. But if you're not consenting to the jurisdiction, but if you're not consenting to the jurisdiction, sit down. You are not a named party. I do not. I don't know what you need to do. I do not.
So I need to.
I don't know what you need to do. But I don't know what you need to do. To what? But you're not consenting to the jurisdiction of this court. Why am I hearing from you? You're not consenting to the jurisdiction of this court. You're recanting what? Why am I hearing of this court? Why am I hearing from you? You're recanting what? You're recanting what? Which part?
The part.
Which part?
The part that I stated that I'm not. That I stated that I'm not. I'm lost. That I stated that I'm not consenting to this court's jurisdiction. So I'm lost my spot. I'm going to recant. Not consenting to this court's jurisdiction.
So you are consenting to this court's jurisdiction.
I'm going to recant that.
Well, no. So you are consenting. It doesn't work that way. So you are consenting. You don't get to say, well, no, it's okay. It doesn't work that way. No, it doesn't work that way. Say, well, now you know why? You don't get to say problem. You've not filed anything later. Say no. You know what? So I don't know why I filed on those grounds. You've not filed anything. So I don't know why. So I don't know why on those grounds why I'm here.
Okay. Okay. If I may, I do have time, I do believe, to go file an answer and counterclaim. I do believe. I was just letting
answer and counterclaim.
File an answer and counterclaim. File an answer and counterclaim.
Answer and counterclaim. To answer and counterclaim. You have a lease with
complaint.
With Miss You have a lease. You have that is who you need with Miss Whitlow.
Correct.
With Miss Whitlow. And that is who you need or whatever the heck you're doing.
Okay.
Because you don't or whatever the heck you're doing or whatever the heck because you don't because you don't relationship there is a plaintiff in this case and there would be contract relationship between the plaintiff in this case and the plaintiff in this. Let me put it little bit more
Okay, I'm
simple.
not really
If I
understanding.
grant the relief of the plaintiff in this case, a little bit more simple. Let me put it, if I grant the relief of the plaintiff in this case, order of the plaintiff judgment and an order of eviction, grant an order of grant judgment, any claim of your interest in that property.
Okay.
In 10 days, you have to go after the Whitlows. That's the only person you have a contract. Your interest in that you have to go after the Whitlows because that's the only person you have a contract. That's the only person you have a contract. I don't know that.
Okay, no, there is the actual contract.
I don't know that.
It's
Yeah, the
not.
Whitlows are not real, and she knows
Yeah, the
it.
Whitlows
They definitely
are
just
not
made up a
real, and she
landlord
knows
so she
it.
could
They definitely
make
just
up
made
a
up a
lease so she
landlord
could
so she
stay
could
in a
make
house
up
she
a
has no
lease so she
business
could
being
stay
in a house.
Like
The fact that she had the nerve to walk in here without a single document to back up any single document to back up any of them filing bankruptcy. This woman got banned from filing bankruptcy, and somehow 4 of them ended up on this. Somehow 4 of them. I mean, that just tells you everything. The fact that she tried to retain her section speech mid-hearing like that resets any speech mid-hearing like that resets anything. You cannot just take back what you said and act like the judge forgot you said and act like the judge just forgot. I feel like she genuinely thought she kept talking long enough. Something which she kept talking and Judge Simpson just kept shutting everything. And Judge Simpson just kept shutting everything. She actually believed her own story. Or was she just hoping the judge would let it slide? Or was she just hoping the judge would let it slide?
I don't know
I want to make sure I'm clear. That's not my issue is with the Whitlows. It's not with VMC.
Correct. Ma'am, I am not giving you legal advice.
No, I
You're
don't.
telling me that you have
Basically,
a contract.
the
I did
notice
not
of
know that
removal,
you had a
basically, the
contract.
notice of
But if you
removal
wish to
that the
enforce that
Whitlows
contract,
did,
they are not have the issue with. They are not going to have the issue with the plaintiff in this case because they have right on the documents they not filed that they with this court that are not with this court. So I don't have to accept. So I don't. She has not appeared before this. She has not appeared before. They have
plaintiff's
appeared
attorney
before this court.
as
They
well,
have.
and
And so
continue to
as far as
communicate
I'm
with
concerned,
Max.
so as
Which
far as
came
I'm
by concept.
concerned, any relief I can and as of right, I can and as should be denied also on merit, should be denied also on merit, but I can deny it because they're not here. But I can deny it because they're not here.
Stating
Writ
to
to
me, I want to
issue
make sure
10
I'm
days of
clear.
my
Stating to
sign.
me, I want to make sure I'm clear with that.
Should
Not
not
issue
be
with
appealed.
VMC.
Ma'am, I am
Not
not giving you
with
legal
VMC.
judgment.
No,
Ma'am,
I
I'm
don't
telling me that
you
the
have
appeal bond that you have, I would set at this time. But if you wish to enforce that contract, if that is you're going to have the contract, that you're not going to have the issue. Plaintiff in this case looked at the property in this case because they have right to own the significant property. I don't think the $10,000 a month quite does it based upon my calculations. So any appeal bond would be set in the amount of $15,000 per month.
As well.
That would need to be paid to
As well,
maintain.
and continue to communicate by
Thank you, Your
concept.
Honor.
All right.
I will
Which
prepare
came
that
by
and present it
concept.
to you this morning.
Based
Thank
upon
you.
the
May I say
representation of
something?
counsel, based upon
Our
the
lease
representation of
payment
counsel
was
in
not
this case,
met
an issue of judgment in this case, in the
at all.
favor.
I'm not sure what her mortgage payment was.
10
That
days
was
of
not
rent
our
issue, 10 days of
amount we
sign.
paid.
Should the matter be appealed, also contained in that judgment, also contained in that the appeal bond. The appeal bond wish to subject to my order of $50,000 rental rate or a rate have looked at the property, have looked at this